Did you know? 11% of people are left-handed. 2. Did you know? You take over 23,000 breaths every day. 3. Did you know? Your most active muscles are in your eye. 4. Did you know? Your brain uses 25% of all the oxygen you breathe. 5. Did you know? Wearing headphones for just an hour will increase the bacteria in your ear by 700 times. 6. Did you know? The longest time a person has been in a coma is 37 years.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. All rights reserved to Johnny Visuals.